Only 9 students have joined now. Till now, only 9 are there.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sir, Manal Rastogi has raised his hand.
Morning, good. Sir, morning, good.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. We are starting now. Still only 12 students are there in the class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I can ask you all to give your attendance at any point in time in the
Sir,
chat.
Mohammed Zair Khan present.
Okay, sir.
Sir Arnav Gangwar present.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, Daksh Bharadwaj present.
Dhruv Bulbani present.
Not now.
Naitik Garg present.
Beta, listen to me. I am not
Sir,
asking you.
Present, sir.
present. Sir, Kripan Shah present.
I am not asking you all to give the attendance. Listen to me. Try to understand what the teacher is saying first, then give your reaction. I am not asking you to give your attendance now. I told you during the class at any point I will be asking for the attendance in the chat box of Zoom. There is a chat box in your app. You all can see that. In that chat box, you have to write your attendance. But right now, I have not activated the chat box. During the class, in between, at any point, I will allow you all to post the message of your attendance, only your attendance during the class. In the chat box, you have to write your names. You don't have to give your attendance by speaking, only in the chat box. Okay. So at any point, I will be asking. So if you are leaving the meeting in between, you will be responsible. And then in the end, also, I will verify whether all the students are present or not, those who have given the attendance. Okay. So yeah, we have done till which question? You can now turn on your mics. Till which question we are done?
Sir, 25.
Sir, we are doing which Sir, we have chapter? to do question number 28.
Question number 28. We have done 28.
No, sir, we have not done 28.
Sir, we are doing which chapter?
We are doing which chapter? Who is this?
Sir, we have done 28. Sir, this is the answer of the 28.
Who was asking that we are doing which chapter? Peter, who was asking that we are doing which chapter? We are
Sir,
doing
we are
linear.
doing linear equation.
Yes, we are doing linear.
Sir, question 28.
Yeah, we have done question 28.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I can explain question 28 again, but have a look at this. This is question number 30. I will explain the 28 point. This is your
Sir, I have
question
done
number 30.
30.
So in this question, first of all, keep your mics off, all of you. I don't want any mic on. Naitik Garg, keep your mic off. And Arnav Gangwar, please, when you are writing your name in the participants, your name, it should be only your name. No emojis must be there. Arnav Gangwar.
Okay, sir.
Naitik Garg, turn off your mic.
Sir, other students also have emojis in their name.
So others also. No emojis are allowed. For example, Uzair, I can see emojis in your name.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Next
only
time it
two.
will be not there.
Dhruv Bhojwani, you also.
C.
Sir, now it is not there. See.
Very good.
Sir, please tell question number 28.
I will explain question 28 again. Have a look at the 30th question first. This is 0.5x minus 0.8 in the bracket 0.8 minus 0.2x equals to 0.2 minus 0.3x. Very simple question. Open the bracket. It becomes minus 0.8 and minus into minus plus 0.2x. RHS is the same. Now 0.5x and 0.2x like terms. So it becomes 0.7x. And 0.3x I have taken to LHS. It becomes plus 0.3x. And 0.8 is a constant. It is not having x. So I will take 0.8 to the RHS. 0.8 I have taken to the RHS. So now you can see these two are like terms. 0.7 plus 0.3x, 0.7x plus 0.3x. Like terms, so you can add them. 0.7 plus 0.3 is equal to 1. So it becomes 1x equals to 0.2 plus 0.8 is again equal to 1. So this is also 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1. This is your answer. Note down if you have not done it.
Sir, please.
Please what?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
Sir, I am leaving the meeting automatically again and again.
You're getting disconnected from the meeting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can rejoin it. There is some network issue at your end.
Okay, sir.
So there is network issue.
Yes. Now I will be doing the 28th one again. We have already done it yesterday. One more time I am going to do it. Question number 28. This is 0.18 into 5x minus 4 is equal to 0.5x plus 0.8.
So you
Sir,
are
we
doing
have
which
done
question?
28.
Sorry?
28.
This is 28th only.
Sir, we have done 28 question.
If someone were asking the 28th one, some of you were asking, that is why.
No, sir, we have done the 28 question
Beta,
in previous
I am
class.
telling you, some of you are having problem in this. That is why I am explaining the question again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Be attentive in the class. Already told this. Now, 0.18 multiplied by 5x. You will multiply 0.18 with both the terms. 0.18 into 5. What is the product of 0.18 into 5? It is 0.9. So you will all know how to multiply decimal numbers. 0.9x. 0.18 into minus 4 is minus 0.72 equals to 0.5x plus 0.8. Now take the like terms on the one side of the equation. So terms with x I am taking to LHS. Minus 0.5x equals to 0.8. This minus 0.72 will become plus 0.72. 0.9x minus 0.5x is 0.4x. 0.8 plus 0.72 is 1.52. Okay. Now x is equals to 1.52 divided by 0.4. 1.52 divided by 0.4. X is equal to, remove the decimal from both the numerator and denominator, so it becomes 152 upon 40. Do you all know how to remove the decimal? So 152 upon 40. Divide 152 by 40. You get x equals to 3.8. This is the answer. X equals to 3.8. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Note down if you have not done.
Sir, note it down.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, on Sunday there is a holiday.
On which day?
Sir, Sunday.
Sunday. Yes, it is a holiday.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
God.
This Sunday we will have a holiday.
Sir, and next Sunday?
Sir, yes, yes. Next Sunday also it is a holiday. This Sunday and
Sir,
next
you are
Sunday.
saying Sunday is a holiday, so I thought, sir, next Sunday it will not be a holiday.
Yes, beta, yes. This Sunday it is a holiday and next Sunday also it is a holiday. This Sunday and next
Sir, it
Sunday.
means every Sunday.
It will be a holiday every Sunday. Okay.
Yes,
That I will
sir.
have to confirm. I'm
Okay,
not
sir.
sure. I will have to
Sir,
confirm.
please explain it up. Sir,
Yes, beta.
explain it again.
Yes. 0.18 multiplied by 5x minus 4. Open the bracket. Which step you want to ask? Any particular step or the whole question?
Sir, whole question.
Whole question. 0.18 into 5x minus 4. 0.18 into 5. The product. Do you know how to multiply decimal numbers? It becomes 0.9x. Do you know this? How it is 0.9x?
Sir, how it is?
You don't know how to do it.
Sir,
0.18 multiplied by 5. 5 into
sir,
8.
40,
40.
4 carry.
5 into 1. 5.
90.
9. The product is 90. Now how many digits
Point.
are? How many digits?
0.
Point,
Point
point
0.
0.90.
0.
0.90 means 0.9. 0.90.
0.
You write it as 0.9 or you write it as 0.9. Word is the same thing. So that is why 0.9x. Got it? Similarly, everywhere we have multiplied. Here and here, both the places. Now, taking the like terms, the terms which have x on the LHS. So 0.5x you take to LHS, it becomes minus 0.9 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.4. You know how to subtract decimals. I want your mics to be off. Nothing better, turn off your mic. 0.9 minus 0.5 is 0.4. So this is 0.4x. Here 0.8 and 0.72 will go to RHS. It becomes plus 0.72. So 0.8 plus 0.72 is 1.52. Now 0.4 you will take to RHS. It will go in divide. Now you know this how to remove the decimal. You can do it like this. Now after decimal there are 2 digits in the numerator. So 1.52, if you remove the decimal like this, if you remove it from the numerator, you have to multiply by 100 in the denominator. And from the denominator, if you remove it, you multiply by 10 in the numerator. Okay? Because there is one digit after decimal. Now in this 10 and 100, you can cancel out 1 0. So it is left 152 upon 4 into 10. So 4 into 10 is 40. So 152 upon 40. Do you all know how to do this? 152 upon 40. So this is a
Yes, sir.
152 upon 40. How you divide 152 by 40? Find the answer in decimal. You will get 3.8. Now understood, Naitik. Naitik Garg.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Sir, Rafiq.
Sorry. Naitik beta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, next question. I am giving you a question. You all will try this. I want answers from you all. So, giving you an easy question. Question number
Sir?
21. Y plus 7 is equal to 1 plus 3y minus 2 upon 5. Try this question. Give me the answer.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. Sir, at last you will tell the answer.
I want answers from you all. I will
Okay, sir.
explain afterwards. First, you all try. Okay, now you all can open your chat box and give your attendance in the chat box. You can only send messages to me. You cannot send yourself, send messages to your friends. You can send messages to only the host. Write your name and give your attendance in the chat box. Naitik Gar present, Akshat Chandra present, Muhammad Uzair present, Shubham Pratap, Daksh Singh, Daksh Bhardwaj, Anav Gangwar, rest Fazil Khan present. Aryan Patel present.
Sir, present, sir.
So only these students are present. Naitik, Akshat, Muhammad
No,
Uzair,
sir. Agram Saxena also present.
Shubham Pratap, Daksh Singh Panevar,
Diagram section.
Daksh Bhardwaj, Anav Gangwar 7, Daksh Dhruv Bhojwani 8, Fazil Khan 9, RN Patel 10. 10 students are present. Rest of you will be marked absent if you are not writing your name in the chat box. Rest of you will be marked absent if you will not write your name in the chat box.
Sir, I have done the question. Can I send the answer?
Yes.
Sir, I sent.
Agrim Saxena present. So there are 14 in the meeting, and out of these 14, 11 have given the attendance. उजैर बेटा तुमने पहले ही दे दी है, 2 बार क्यों दे रहे हो? So out of these 14, only 11 have given the attendance in the chat box. The rest are not given. You want me to mark you
Sir,
absent?
please. Sir, please see my answer.
Baki log, I think they have joined the meeting and they are roaming here and there. Like Vansh. Vansh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I want to see Vansh. Where is Vansh?
Sir, please see my.
Vansh, why are you not giving your attendance in the chat box? Unmute yourself, Vansh. Kushagra Kumar present. Okay.
Sir, I have also sent.
Adya Gupta is not giving the attendance. Adya Gupta, are you there?
Sir, is my answer is correct?
Adya Gupta, are you there? So Adya Gupta will be marked absent because she has just joined the meeting, but she is not present. She is doing something else. She has just joined the meeting. So she will be marked absent.
Sir, I think she has joined the meeting and keep the screen on recording, and she will watch it afterwards.
Okay, so now I'm doing it. Check your answer. Y plus 7 upon 3 equals to, here you take the LCM, 5 is the LCM. The denominator is 1. It becomes 5 plus 3y minus 2. So y plus 7 upon 3 equals to 5
Sir.
and minus 2 are like terms. 3 plus 3y whole upon 5. Yes.
Sir, my answer is coming y. So y equals to 2 upon 13.
Okay, we will check your answer. So now,
Okay, sir.
after adding these two terms, now you have to cross multiply. This 5 will go in LHS and will be multiplied with the numerator. Same will happen with this 3 in the denominator. This will go in RHS and will be multiplied with the numerator of LHS. Multiply with the numerator of RHS. So 5 into 5 plus 3 into 3 plus 3y. 5y plus 35.
5y.
9 plus
9y. 9.
9y.
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 So 9y.
Correct. 9y.
Sir, 9y.
9y.
5y minus 9y. 9 minus
Equals to 30.
5y minus 9y is equals to minus 4y.
Yes, sir.
9 minus 35 is um, minus 26. 9 minus 35 is minus 26. So now this minus 4 will go in divide. So y is equals to minus 26 upon
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is
plus
correct.
4. Here you will cancel both the minus signs. Y is equal to 26 upon 4. That means 13 upon 2. What in?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
13 upon
So
2.
my answer is correct.
Very good. So now I am closing the chat box. All those who have not given their attendance in the chat box, they will be marked absent.
Mark the attendance. Sir, I have marked the attendance.
Those who have not marked, I am talking about those.
So done. Sir, 5 minutes are left to get the meeting over.
6 minutes.
Okay.
5 C.
Now, question number, we have already done till question 30. This question I gave you for practice. To just check if you can find the answer or not. Many of you, only very few of you did this correctly. So please practice these questions at home. I think you all are not doing the practice.
Sir,
You
I
have
am
to
doing practice.
daily you have to do practice of maths for 20
Yes, sir.
minutes.
Daily.
To revise what is being taught in the class, you have to revise it first and then do some more questions. Do the same questions first and then do some more questions. This is how you have to do it. At least you have to
Okay,
study
sir.
that at least 1 hour after the class. In the evening, you can study after for 1 hour. Question 31. Try this. Now I want answers from you all. X plus 2 upon x minus 2. First step, I will tell you what to do. Cross multiply. Take this 3 to LHS and x minus 2 you can take to RHS. Cross multiply and find the answer.
Sir, done the exercise.
Very good.
Sir, I know how to do this question. Sir, I have also done the exercise till 32.
3 we will take to LHS. 3
Thank
into
you,
x
sir.
plus 2. I want the answer of this one. All of you, tell me the answer. This is now cross multiplication. Have you all done this after this step? What is the answer?
Sir,
Sir, what
my,
is written in the post?
Sir, my
It
answer is
little bit
coming.
blur.
So only few
Sir?
minutes are left.
sir, my answer is coming x equals to 5.
Okay, we will check.
Sir, my
Also, my
my
answer, sir, x is equal to 5.
X equals to 5. Let us check. 3x plus 6.
So my also.
7x minus 14.
Sir, x is equal to 5.
Very good. So 14 you can bring to LHS. 6 plus 14.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
7x minus 3x. 6 plus 14 is
Yes,
20.
sir.
7x minus 3x is 4x. 20 upon 4 is equal to x. That means 5 is equal to x. What is the answer? X equals to 5. Got it?
Yes, sir. My also answer is x equals to 5.
The
Yes,
last
sir.
one is even more easy. The last one is easier than this one. Last one is easier.
Yes,
Do the
sir.
last one, all of you. Do the last one.
Okay,
Sir, I
sir.
have done already.
Yeah.
today. Let us see. सर दक्षराज कहीं चले गए
No problem. Do your work.
सर अभी मीटिंग तो खत्म हुई नहीं, सब बच्चे अभी से छोड़ रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स अभी से छोड़ रहे हैं.
Beta, you do your work. I am just seeing who are there, who are not there.
Sir, we have to give attendance.
we have to do which question
I will check it. I don't worry. I can check it from your chat box.